Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to look at some of my favorite pimple popping clips. In fact, I'm going to count down 10 of my favorite new pops. While you watch, I'll include some definitions on screen. Also below, please comment yes if you enjoy this bizarre dermatology Photoshop. I'd also like to use this opportunity to remind you to click the notification bell and select all notifications. By doing so means that you'll see all of our pimple popping documentaries, posts, and images. Without clicking the notification bell, you won't see any of our community posts. And you'll be blocked from seeing our age-restricted videos in your feed. So again, click that notification bell for more pimple pops, bigger cysts, and all of our updates, and all of our best age-restricted content. So hit that notification bell today and you won't be disappointed. Hey there, Pimple Popper fans. If there's one thing we learned, It's the importance of good hygiene and that germs, viruses, and bacteria can do real damage. In other words, keep your bacteria-covered hands off your face. That's why I recommend a professional comedone extractor kit like this. Available from Amazon with Amazon Prime, these exquisite pimple popper tools are made of the highest quality stainless steel, and they come in a handy case. So don't risk getting nasty bacteria and viruses into your delicate pores. Cellulitis, staph, and other dangerous microbes are real and prominent dangers. So pick up a pimple popper kit for each member of your household and show them that you care about their safety. There's an Amazon link in the description below.